Me imagine say me posty a lot of stories. I told you guys I me posty a lot of stories. Now me bufu ye until I had to relax. Now me bufu ade me ye say me ko YouTube there was some enyombi ewo ho it takes negative energy from people. Until me bufu a 5 hours. Me bufu a na me de ahye so na madam mpa so na metia na to say it drained the negative energy out of me. I have vowed say ende nsem bi a ekoso no me ma ema me bu enfu na ndra wo bi bisa say den na me bu fu ye na den na me bu efu se wo be kai a me report ye de aban eye a Ghana ye record more coronavirus cases ninti me hu ne say they are negligent and ye sorry ya easy e de nkrata ba say new voters register na wo mo se on be ye no omo de wo mo mfa ho say coronavirus aba still they will do the new voters register. Now, I don't know. Ghana, no, you just don't understand some people. Electoral Commission and upper way. In Krata, what they ba say Ghana for yin sum no. Or see new voters register no. Say abai air can say Ghana public gathering. Me and public gathering bia. Asore enu hunti asore kra no ye twem school ko ye twem no. Isi ne say wono de one say ye. Say Ghana ya recorded 7 cases and the news are matse and say nipa ba ko kra ye quarantine no we dwane nipa na we dwane no ye nim bebi a wote si wo de kwasan nkrofo say den ye nim experts are saying say more cases will be recorded after 2 weeks say what Ghana has say isi no was say one say ye isi say one say yo isi say still Ghana new voters register no wabeye na on my way no you don't understand some people em say Jane Mensa em say I don't just say main tiasie I just don't understand yare aba yare ekum nkrofo e wo other countries Italy say na yare ekum nkrofo yare bia wo binya no wo bankrofo mu pe wo mu ni na there are high chances say wo mu nso benya yare ya ba ne ya ka say yen quarantine ye ho a wo easy wo say still new voters register no wo be ye do you even think of the lives of the people that wo person will register no are they thinking of the lives of because mentia for I don't understand no na what the enkrata ne da manim the person making kind a trail was it for immediate release. EC will go ahead with the compilation of a new voters register. We a official statement if we electoral commission was it the electoral commission has noted with concern information in sections of the media to the effect that the compilation of the new voters register has been cancelled due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus in the country. The commission wishes to state that the compilation of the new voters register has not been cancelled. Plans are far advanced for the successful takeoff of the registration process. In view of the ban imposed on public gatherings by His Excellency President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, a new date for registration will be announced in due course. The Commission wishes to assure the general public that it is taking the necessary steps to guarantee the safety of the citizenry and safeguard them from the virus. In this regard, the Electoral Commission will put in place concrete measures including providing sanitizers at all polling stations and providing a conducive environment at all registration centers and to protect stakeholders from the virus, among others. Munjai de moyeno. Yasremo why? Easy. Munjai. Yawa hase thing ebeka say public gatherings, social gatherings near wabane no. Womo ye Ghana card registration no. Sisi a womo ye wo Eastern region. esan say womo so suspend no womo say da bi womo boss e betron krata ka say womo betia so aye Ghana card no womo so asema womo kan ya no oh womo aye be ma Ghana card registration akoso de e be ya ne say ye the hand sanitizers be ba nti wo ba na we use hand sanitizers ni bi womo ye registration ni bi fresh CTFM for on anonymity eka say sanitizers na womo say womo de be ba no womo anfa mba. They are just putting our lives at risk. And no in someone womo eka na on my way no wo sometimes nkrofo ka say impanyifo bi say sa Ghana card any sa EC new registration no impanyifo no womo nya womo sika ewom. Na sometimes me obi a nkrofo ka sa de na ya na maba abonte abeka say oh enye ne kre etiefo ya yese sa asem no eye ne kre ya yese sa asem no eye ne kre pa because the new voters register Ghana card na ye no wo panyi a wo hwe so se won ti twobo wo mu a na nka sebempre diasa emba wo trim kra say ya real deadly say esi wo man mu no emba wo trim kra say still you are going on with the new voters register and now you are going on with the Ghana card because unim say ya nya usika na wo benya no wunya nti wo be force ase wo beye. And you see this new voters register I can tell you for a fact say because of your real way a lot of people will not go and register. But who Babontiaka says still you'll be doing the voters register. I'm telling you for a fact. Push your data, Womasha. It is within 4 weeks, President Ayana Adrian said, Yamba all social gatherings, no. But won't be on Modia Sanafa. Say, oh, ye near the hand sanitizers, beba, ye say, Massa, Munjai, dear mo, ye know. Munja idea mo person mo put people's lives at risk no. Easy. Munja say na mo person mo put people's life at risk no. Just say mo de munje ni pan kwa ho. Aden. Inti just say e man mpanyimfo no say be previous mo dwe ni pan ho ana. Like do you think about people in this country? Una who count say what they will be providing hand sanitizers. Have you thought sebe mo de ye hu ne se mo akọ school edu echi sebe adwin bi eba mo trimu me pese me didi mo atem but you guys are forcing me to insult you. Adwin bi ebeba mo trim say ebia wo bi a wonya yare no video bi a me hu ye e wa abrotre abrante bi a wonya coronavirus no itinimodin ti wa shada de ntosio wa kofro public bus and I was in Intosio, bass neho. And I can tell you, say in Intosio, what the bass neho will be the Nsako can, one Subenya Yariano. It mind you, say in Crofunia Yari, our Mujani Hospital, send me din country and drive information at a buyer, and I said Tema General Hospital. Obia wonya Yari nibi. You see, we're Johnny if you It mind you say wo bia wanya yare no ono de etrimodin say wono wo de person nkrofo no person wono nko abewu no wono ba de bia ye registration e ye say wono wo de na agye ba say wo be use hand sanitizers no wo be say da ba be infecting nkrofo wo de wo ka say wo de hand sanitizers aba say wo de ba for wo mu a wo ma yo ma de so wo mu ni yare na. Have you thought of the pabonifo a wono owa yare na wo say wo person wo de san nkrofo no? You are just facilitating that person's plan. And I would say, Yamo say, Momo wa dream pa, and you say, Yase has a will be on the wa dream pa. I know I've heard stories of Nkrofa, Womo HIV AIDS, woman in Pansa, Womo HIV AIDS, Womo they are saying Nkrofa because they don't want to die alone. And there are people like that in our societies. It's easy. Sabi, sanya mano mo adwen ho. Dabio, yakoye ne me de sisia that statement na easy e de aba bonte sisia no. I'm believing. And I'm telling you the truth. I am seriously believing. say isi mpanyimfo no wo musika wom na se voters register yanya na twese sika no wo munya nje na twese sika no wo munya nti kia ne ke wo mo pese ye ya kia ne ke wo mo pese ye ya na twese wo musika no wo munya because if you don't have any personal interest in this you will not come out with a statement like this. In a time of outbreak like this, a Ghana phone full soon fear and panic everywhere. No, Sabin pray their son. You'll be very irresponsible to even come with a statement like this. You are not you are not even being sensitive to the plight of Ghanaians. You are not. Asembeni. So, Omo is are they for real? They are. I don't know. Just say, as some will more release, who comment a Ghana for can. Some people there, men cash. Adia will be clear air can say, these people are just heartless and greedy. And then the crown so you are heartless and greedy. If you are not heartless, one can say voters register and still obey ye, and man go for dump him ever. And I have told you, Abia will be no what they are doing pa and eba. Into Obia will also on him say what you are now what they are doing, but eba. Oh no, how are you going to you are so these people we call our leaders, no. Sebio, these people we call our leaders, no. Like Sebin previous Sebe, one more answer. Nkrofo bi say ya from ye lead Sebe, nyansa no, Sebin previous nyansa no, Sebe ewo mutiri mu ana. Na akola wa classes kra wo de no eto easy ano a wono kra be hu no say yare aba. This is not the time for you to come and do new voters register. It's just a many. This is very irresponsible. Very, very irresponsible. Hey, Mami Jane, me didn't who ya pan. Me de embra na NDC for can send me afa Mami Jane mensa hono. Me I was supporting her. But me didn't who ya papa Jane mensa. Me didn't who ya pan. At least ni enim say emba de mu otima. Ni enim say emba de. Me di Jane mensa. Oh, chiake. We mu nia etie for. Se me ntwa so I'll go overboard. And I am very pissed. I am very, very pissed. Because you just be putting the lives of people at risk. You just be putting the life of people at risk. So I am where I can want to me. Nipa bako. Nkofo Yesu say we be to me at their sign the first case. Nkofo Yesu say possible what they are sign 107. The first case contact tracing you know 107 people. Now, some 107 people here change after 2 weeks because you see after 2 weeks and I ever started say ebe manifested. You change after 2 weeks say and say after 2 weeks started say manifest here. We will have a lot of cases at our hand. Now, who is he? Sabin pray dear son. You will not learn the sense in this. You say what my way? Yare we won ekọ yare we ekọ na wo skabi na obetumi figana ibu efu pan yare we ekọ na se wo skabi na obetumi de free Ghana akotena manoni a mesro free Ghana. Now these people we call leaders no one chiake